Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Barclays online banking, secure access step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL www.barclays.co.uk. Press the Enter key to navigate to the Barclays homepage. Look for the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the online banking login page. Enter your username in the designated field. Double-check to ensure that your username is entered correctly. Click on the Continue button. You will then be prompted to enter your password. Type in your password carefully. Again, double-check your password for accuracy. After entering your password, click the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may receive a security code via SMS or email. Enter the security code in the provided field. Click on the Verify button to confirm your identity. Once logged in, you will have access to your online banking dashboard. Explore the various features and manage your accounts as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.